Capybaras, of course, are the world's largest rodents and can get up to, get this, 100 doggone pounds. They are growing in popularity as pets, but they're still wild animals, and this video serves as a reminder that they can be aggressive.
And basically he's turned vicious, and I'm making this documentary to show other people what they can expect about 5 or 6 months in from a male capybara, no matter how good you treat him. There he is, he's wrinkling up the nose, he's doing the teeth. The next thing he'll do is he'll lunge at me. Now he's biting, and he means business. If that was part of my body, he wants to take it off. Watch this, he's so determined he'll come right back. That water's ice cold. It should have snapped him into any kind of submission, knowing that he can't beat me.
A seagull eats some hot chips and yells hot several times. A rabbit is unsure on how to react after drinking sparkling water for the first time. Some koalas get into it.
I haven't seen him for a while. I got someone. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Look at his eyes. Just so much. They can't see so good in the light. Retreat. Look, he's looking at you. Yeah, I think he's gonna do it. Come here. Oh, he's like, okay, come here. Okay, don't look that we have mice on our floor. See, do you see how he smacks his beak? Oh, you're missing it. It's so cool. When he smacks his beak, he always does it when he sees food.
A jackrabbit is very, very excited.
Tem as manhas, não entra não, sem a instrução de um profissional. Doce, doce como mel. Mas rapaz, que acidente com essa carroça, aí foi carreira mesmo. Isso aí não adianta falar nada que foi excesso de velocidade.
A bobcat is ready to get down and dirty if needed as a man frees him from a trap.
Caught a cat by the toe.
God damn it. Here, trade me up. I gotta get where you're at.
Ryan's getting whooped on by a 20-pound kitty cat.
No, thank you. No.
You ready to show off?
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around.
Chắp chắp từng từng cô chằng 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 chăm chăm.
Treats? You guys want your treats?
Olha, gente, quando eu falar qualquer coisa pra vocês têm que prestar atenção no que eu falo, não adianta. Veja pra vocês verem se não tem uma vista bonita, um lugar desse. Ah, vista bonita, a gente perde até de vista a vista da gente. Eu chego aí lá na frente, eu não tô enxergando mais nada. Só uma nuvem.
Não tem as manhas, não entra não, sem a instrução de um profissional.
A cat is determined to conquer the treadmill.
Hey, let me hold him. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing? What? That's close enough.
A man messes with the super dangerous box jellyfish.
Oh, bro, that sucks. Look at it all over your arrow.
That shit will still sting you like fuck. Hurricane, yeah.
That bad.
Well, the thing is that the box
Watch
jellyfish,
out, they're all over the sand there.
the thing is the box jellyfish will sting you, you feel it.
I'm gonna throw him back in.
Yeah. Oh no, don't throw him in the water. Kill him out, keep him out. That could...
There you go, guys, check this fella out. This is a box jellyfish. Dude. No, he's just not stinging you.
No, I feel it now.
Yeah, that's it. I got it. I need more of this or what?
Like a bit of a sting or what?
There's box jellyfish.
It's only a little bit.
Oh yeah, I
It's
can
only a
feel
little
it.
Sting, mate, but you know what?
I can feel it alright, bro. There you go, guys. Box jellyfish, get it on ya.
I would like to tell you about our new adventure. Launching the Purpose Book City, where your penguins, bringing dog steps, begin capturing this time and many other thrills. At some height, you're more than 25 feet off the ground. Jungle Book Safari.
Que beleza tem demais, e andamento sem de sobra. Ecolou a cauda demais, é vergonha demais, é calor ou é genética demais? Fala comigo.
Meu Deus. Sai!
A cute kitty takes the slow way down the stairs. Look here, Emmy Pearl is one of the guilty pleasures that I have as far as YouTube channels that I watch, because this woman is just very quirky and she loves possums. It's so weird and cringe in a way, but it's awesome.
There's an elephant in the room. Well, let's address it. The vast majority of opossums belong outside. If you see one there, leave it there. If you come across an injured or orphaned opossum, contact a professional wildlife rehabilitator immediately.
Well, a toothbrush. A toothbrush. All right, darling. We're going to grasp with our prehensile tail. Okay, toothbrush.
You need to be able to handle your owl. So, as you can see, Lucky has got these leather shoes on each leg.
Owls are very interesting birds, to say the least, for a myriad of reasons, but they're definitely adorable, even though we know that they can be dangerous.
Oh my God, you got my finger. Massage?
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, Blizzard. Oh, that's my boy. There's my boy. That's a good boy. That's my boy. Yes. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
Some dogs really, 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 really hate getting baths. Two little Yorkies make a great decision when they hear the shrieking yells of a bobcat.
Oh my gosh, you guys. The Bobcats are finally back. I've waited 2 months for this. Look, they're sleeping in my backyard. Hi.
Rugby didn't see him.
What? No, 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 no.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
An animal that's extremely dangerous that a lot of people don't know almost takes out a bull terrier. That animal, by the way, is called the giant anteater.
Chico! Chico! Sadei! Sadei! Vai dormir! Cadê você? Ficou? Ficou você? Eu não pego você, eu falei pra você. Bora.
Look, this little weasel holds its own, doesn't it? Look at this. A rabid bobcat wreaks havoc on a woman and her dog. Not sure where this is, but look how huge this tiger is. And it is close to the camera.
Do you want to grab a towel or something?
A mailman thinks twice when encountering a huge dog.
This is what I go through. This is what I go through, ladies and gentlemen. See? What kind of Yorkie y'all got? I bet you don't got this type of Yorkie. I'm trying to go to sleep. But he want to do all, I just want to go to sleep. I can't go to sleep. I can't go to sleep.
My parrot plays peekaboo with the neighbor's cat.
If this bobcat was angry, this dog would have been shredded to pieces.
A wild bobcat got in our house. Our dog saved us.
Why are cats so mean?
Whoa!
What?
No
the
way. This is a giant mud crab.
Holy moly, look at the size of this thing. That is a giant mud crab. It's the craziest.
Hey Luna, are you a mommy's girl or are you a daddy's girl? What? What is that? You a mommy's girl or are you a daddy's girl? Which one? Daddy?
Oh, I don't know.
Chang chang chang, chắp chắp từng từng cô, chang 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 chang, chăm chăm chang chang chang, chang 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 chang, chắp chắp từng từng. Chang chang chang, chắp chắp từng từng cô, chang 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 chang, chăm chăm chang chang chang.
My happy guy, or just a happy guy, or just a looking at a happy, or the
A zebra fights for its life. This cobra has no chance.
Like a fish on land.